the Poison Pentacle. All of this is biodegradable and green. So let's dig in. This is also a medium mystery box for $50. We got this amazing specimen. This amazing specimen. Oh, look at that gorgeous pendulum. Never worked with this either. Carnelian. Spectacular piece of carnelian. Amethyst. I mean, look how dark she is. We love it. This amazing candle. And some red raspberry leaf. All three of these amazing handwritten signs. And guess what? You can use the code LOYAL to get 15% off on this site. This is their Etsy. You can also use code LOYAL to get 10% off as well. Seriously though, thank you so much. Everything was amazing. And you should totally check them out and go follow them. They're going to be tagged in this video.